Welcome class 2nd students. This is your GK book, page number 38. What is your name? Question mark. Read what the internal organs have to say to the proud and bossy brain. So there it is. There are internal organs, and let's see what they have to say to the proud and bossy brain. Write their names in the blanks provided. You have to write their names in the blanks which are provided here with the help of this help box. Now I control all of you in the body. Tell me what you do. So the brain is saying that I control all of you. Now tell me what to do. Now first, we are twins and we help in breathing. Our name starts with L. So they are twins. They are two and they are twins and they help us in breathing, and the word starts with L. What are they? They are lungs. So cross it and write here lungs. L U N G-S, lungs. Now second, my name starts with L. I help to digest what you eat. Full stop. So it also starts with L and it helps us to digest what we eat. You can see any word with starting with L. It is liver. Cross it and write liver here. L-I-V-E-R, liver. Now third, we are the two K's and we get rid of waste. Full stop. So it starts with K's and they are two in our body. And what they do, they get rid of waste. Any words which is starting with K, it is here kidneys. Write kidneys. K I D N-E-Y-S, kidneys. Now fourth, my name starts with H, full stop. I pump blood, full stop. Which is the organ which help us to pump the blood, and its name starts with H. This is starting with H? No. This is heart and it starts with H. Write H. E-A-R-T. Now fifth, my name starts with S, full stop. I store food, full stop. It starts with S and what they do, they store foods. It is stomach. Write S T O M A C H. Now sixth one, our name starts with I, full stop. We remain coiled in your abdomen and help to digest food, full stop. Now which word is starting with I? Intestines. I N T E S T I N-E-S, intestines. Now, do you know the doctor uses an equipment, equipment, equipment to check your lungs and heart, full stop. It is called a stethoscope, S-T-E-T-H-O-S-C-O-P-E, stethoscope. So, when the doctor checks your lungs and heart, they uses the equipment which is known as stethoscope. Now see next page, page number 39. Who uses these? Given below are the pictures of tools or instruments used by various professionals. Professionals. Look at the tool and name the professional who used it from the help box, full stop. there are some picture which is given here, and we have to write the name of the person, who do job by using these equipments, and we have to take the help of help box. Now first it is a telescope. Who uses telescope? It is astronomer. Write A S T R O N O M E R. Astronomer. Now second, this is a, who uses this? Carpenter. C A R P E N T E R. Carpenter uses X. Now this, who uses this equipment? Woodcutter. Write W double O D, wood. CUTTER, woodcutter. Now fourth, who uses this equipment? Plumber. Write P LUMBER, plumber. Now fifth, this is the camera. Who uses the camera? Photographer. Write P H O T O G R A P H E R, photographer. Now sixth, this is a stethoscope. Who uses this? Doctor. Write D O C T O R, doctor. Now seventh, this is a tractor. Who uses this? Farmer. Write F A R M E R. Now this is a suit. Who uses this? Astronaut. Write A S T R O N A U T. Now this is it for today. Do it in your book, and if you don't have book, then do it in your notebook. Thank you.